Hello, kings and queens. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time stopping by, hello, I am Grace and you are warmly welcome. I believe by the special grace of God, you all are doing amazingly good and keeping safe. Massive thanks goes out to all my subscribers. Thank you for watching my videos and for sharing with your family and friends. I am very grateful for your support. And to my viewers, why have you not yet subscribed? Please subscribe, like, share, and also turn on your notification bell. This way, every time I upload a video, you will get notified. Thank you for watching my videos every now and then. I am grateful. Today, I am here again with another mouth-watering recipe. Yes, we are making all-purpose tomato stew. Get yourself a cuppa, sit back, relax, chill, and let's do this together. For my ingredients, I have edible seasoning, bay leaf, ginger, 2 bulbs of garlic, habanero pepper, vegetable seasoning, dried rosemary, cloves, black peppercorns, alligator pepper, also known as grain of paradise, salt, white pepper, curry powder, sliced or chopped onions, 2 cans of tomato puree or tomato paste, and 2 cans of plum tomatoes. I also have cardamom, green cardamom, and I'll be using some of my homemade bell pepper sauce. Okay, so in my blender, I have my onions. I'll go in with my garlic, ginger, and all the aromatics or the spices. I'll add enough water to this and blend it. Hello, are you new here? I am pleased to have you here. Please subscribe, like, and share my videos with your family and friends. Thank you for subscribing. Here I have my pot and my oil. It has I have heated it up. I went in with my bay leaf and my onions. I'll give it a very good stir, leave it to fry for like 3 minutes, and go in with my curry powder and edible seasoning. Give it a good stir, and next go in with my blended aromatics. I'll rinse the blender and pour it in. Give it a very good stir and leave it to cook on a medium heat for 30 minutes while I stir in between. Hello, have you subscribed to my channel? If you have not, please click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you do not miss an upload from me. Thank you for subscribing. Next, in my blender, I'll go in with my plum tomatoes and the habanero pepper or scotch bonnet pepper. I'll blend this and pour it into the base of the stew and give it a very good stir. Cover it and leave it to cook on a medium heat for 30 minutes while I stir in between. Making tomato stew requires a lot of stirring. Yes, you would like to stir to avoid the stew from burning, because once your stew, the base of the stew gets burned, know that your stew will taste bitter, which we don't like. All right, so yes, at this point I went in with my white pepper and salt. I'll stir it and leave it to cook for some few minutes, and then we'll go in with my main ingredient for the stew, which is the tomato paste or the tomato puree. Hi, hello, I am Grace and you are welcome. Are you new here? Please subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Select all. This means every time I upload a video, you will never miss out. Thank you for subscribing and supporting my channel. At this point, I went in with my tomato paste or tomato puree. I'll give it a very good stir to ensure that the tomato paste or tomato puree breaks down and mixes up with the base of the stew very, very well. And then go in with my homemade bell pepper sauce, and which is that is my flavor enhancer. I love it so much in my tomato stews. It tastes so great. I think my stew needs water, and so I'll rinse the bowl and then pour the water in. I will add some extra water to loosen it up. Give it a proper stir, cover it and leave it to cook for like 45 minutes while I stir in between. Remember the stirring, never forget. All right, so at this point, my stew has been cooking for an hour now, and making tomato stew requires a lot of time. So I'll be cooking this stew for like not less than 4 hours. Yes, sometimes I do cook it for more than 4 hours to acquire or achieve that dark look, dark red look. Yeah, the Zongo style. Yes. Okay, so gradually we are getting there. So once you see that the oil is beginning to form on top of your stew, and then the stew starts to thicken up, you should know that the stew is getting ready. And so yes, we are getting there. So it's been 4 hours of cooking the stew, and at this point, it is okay. It is 90% cooked. Yes, I'm not cooking it 100% because once this stew cools down completely, I will divide it into my ice cream container and freeze it, and then use it when I need it. So at that point of using it, I will cook it again. Yes, I will cook it again. So that's the reason why I am not cooking it 100%. So yes, my stew is done now. As you can see, the color has changed from red to dark red. Yes, it now has a darker color. So if you stick with me till thus far, you have done marvelously. Good. Thank you for sticking with me till thus far. I am very grateful for your support. God richly bless you. Yes, so I'll turn off the heat and then move this onto my worktop and leave it. Then the next day, I will skim off the excess oil. Yes, and that's what I am doing right now. Using a ladle, I'll slowly or gently skim off the excess oil and then scoop the stew into an ice cream container, freeze it, and then when I need it, I will take it out. So I used this stew for my waakye and plain rice. Right, so here I have my stew ready to go in the freezer. I will take it out when I need it. To enjoy your all-purpose tomato stew with your plain rice or waakye, you will take one, pour it into a pot, heat it up, and then go in with your protein. So I used goat's meat, goat tripe, and some cow foot. So you pour it in with the stock and stir it. The stock enhances the flavor and the taste in the stew. Finish it off with some sliced or chopped onions. To prepare jollof rice with your all-purpose tomato stew, this is what you have to do. Take one bowl of your all-purpose tomato stew into a pot and then cook it for like 10-15 minutes to ensure that it is well dissolved if there is ice in it. Just like mine, it still had some ice in it, and so I had to cook it for some minutes to ensure that there is no ice. And then you go in with your rice, followed by your protein stock. You can use any protein stock. So I have a combination of meat, chicken, and turkey stock. So you just pour it in, cover it, and then leave it to cook. And there you have your jollof rice. So all-purpose tomato stew is a versatile stew. You can use it in so many ways. All right, kings and queens, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for sticking with me till thus far. I am very grateful. Please share my videos with your family and friends. Like my videos, comment. Please always comment. All right. So thank you so much for subscribing. Until I come your way with something delicious, something yummy, something finger licking, something mouth watering. Stay safe, stay out of trouble, be true to yourself, and always remember that life's greatest lessons are usually learned at the worst time, and from the worst mistakes. I will see you again in my next one. Bye bye.